It is so frustrating trying to learn to play the guitar. It is the best instrument in the world, and I know I'm totally biased, but I believe it. You're wanting to play songs you like, you want to play chords, maybe a scale or a solo, but your fingers just won't listen to you. So today, I'm going to show you one really simple exercise that you can do every day. You don't even need your guitar for it. On your left hand, this is your fretting hand, okay? Remember this, we're going to be numbering your fingers. So your thumb's your thumb, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first thing you can do here is you put your fingers down on a flat surface. So I'm just using the back of my guitar, and I want you to start off, and this is the easy bit. We're going to start off with some finger press ups, okay? So we're going to go 10 taps with finger 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 10 taps with finger 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we'll do the same with finger 3. Now that's a laugh. You might discover something funny about your finger there. And then finger 4, you do 10 of those as well, okay? Now once you've done it, and this is the exercise, what I want you to do is I want you to lift up fingers 2 and 4 on their own and leave 1 and 3 where they were, okay? Just start by trying that for a moment. You see what I'm doing? Lifting up 2 and 4 and leaving 1 and 3. Now can you swap them? See if you can swap them round. And if you can alternate between them. Okay, this takes a little while. I've been teaching guitar for a while now, and I do this with all my students, especially when we start out. But here, you could try that as well if you've been playing for years, and you might agree it's quite tricky if you've never done it. But what we're doing here is we're sending signals from your brain to your fingertips to get them to move in the way that you want them to move. If you think about it, you use your hands every day, but you're really just doing basic things like you're picking up stuff, like a pencil or a pen at work, or you're typing, it's usually your index fingers, or you're gaming, you've got a controller in your hand, and again, it's a couple of fingers and a thumb. You're not really sending these brain signals to your fingers to get them to move in a way that works for guitar. So this is something I would recommend. Practice this every day. You don't even need to be on your guitar, it's magic. So I just wanted to cut in to quickly explain a little bit about why your third finger wasn't moving as well as the other fingers. It actually shares a tendon with your middle finger, finger 2. So don't worry, it's not you if you're finding that your third finger doesn't move so well compared to the other ones. It's completely natural. But here's a little experiment you can do, and I can kind of prove it. So if you put your hands together like this, your fingers all touching like that, okay? And then take your middle fingers and just lie them across like that, okay? Now see if you can tap your thumb together, yeah? And then we'll do the pinky, can you see that? Finger 4, and now index finger. Now try into your third finger. You can't, right? Give it a try. So it's just something that you'll get used to. You're going to work with these exercises, and the more you play your guitar, you maybe won't even really notice so much, I suppose. Anyway, go and grab your guitar, and I'll let you continue on with the lesson. So we can take this a step further. You're going to take your fingers 1, 2, 3, and 4 and line them up on one string like this. It doesn't really matter what fret you're on. But I'm going to say, let's start on fret 7 with your first finger, like this. And then see if you could repeat that exercise that we did, okay? And you might think it might be easy, but your hand's upside down now. It's the other way around. So your brain would be thinking, whoa, this is quite tricky. Give it a try. Practice that every day. You'll notice an improvement, okay? We'll take it a step further. Let's take the fingers and put them in a line again on the same string, on the 6th string. So that's the one nearest your face, okay? And lift up fingers 2 and 4. And then I want you to put them onto the 5th string, and then you lift up fingers 1 and 3. And then you're going to put them onto the 4th string and lift up 2 and 4 and put them on the 3rd string. 1 and 3 are going to go on the 2nd string, and 2 and 4 are going to go on that 1st string. And I'm doing this, I haven't even made a noise on my guitar yet. Look at this. It is really tricky, but wow, it's taken a little bit of my brain power here. I can't speak and do that at the same time. That's amazing. And I can feel a small strain in my forearm as well. So I would recommend you do a little stretch as well before you do that. If you're old like me. But that's a good one as well. That's great. A really good tip for these finger exercises, and this is going to help you get a little bit more out of them. Try doing them while listening to music that you like. So if you've got a song that you like listening to, it's got a little beat to it, could you do that first exercise in time with the pulse? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, like this. Or could you do it with the second part of the exercise where we did it on the fretboard? 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or could you do it with the third exercise? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Give it a try. You know, it's brilliant. This is really good to get these fingers moving in the way that you want them to move, okay? So those exercises are brilliant because they don't make any sound. So you're not going to disturb your family, your friends, your neighbours. You're just going to be working on your finger independence while moving each finger one at a time like so, okay? So let me know how you get on with this exercise in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you again in our next lesson. It's so frustrating trying to learn to play the guitar.